Overfishing is threatening the oceans.
Plant-based proteins can be produced much more efficient than animal proteins, but they also need to be tasty to be accepted by consumers. At Revo Foods, we're developing a brand new 3D extrusion technology which allows us to turn plant-based proteins into tasty, meat-like products. Our patented 3D technology gives plant-based proteins a better structure and taste, much more realistic than ever before. It is a true alternative to animal products without any compromise. It is high in nutrients, it contains no cholesterol, and it's much more sustainable compared to animal proteins.
With the opening of our production site in Vienna, the first of its kind worldwide, we have proven that this technology works at scale. We are proud to be the first company to bring this disruptive innovation to an industrial level, producing over 25,000 units a month and supplying major retailers like Billa, Spar and Edeka.
Our new 3D technology allows us to integrate plant proteins together with fat, which is a key element for realistic texture and structure. At the core is fermented fungi protein, which is incredibly nutritious and has a complete amino acid profile. It is also one of the most sustainable protein sources in the entire world. It doubles its protein mass every 5 hours. Nothing else even comes close.
The next step is scaling up. With our upgraded technology, we can boost production capacity by 50% while reducing unit costs. At the same time, we are expanding our product portfolio to reach more consumers and preparing to license our technology for B2B applications together with partners from the food industry.
We want to position Revo Foods as a global technology leader for better plant-based products. Our mission is clear: better food for a better future.
Now is the perfect time to join us on this journey. Starting from just 100 euros, you can invest in our scale-up and help shape the future of sustainable food. Invest now in Revo Foods.